Hey, Dewy.McDonald here, Guaranty RV. We're going to look at this brand new 1062 Lance 2021. All right, Dewy.McDonald here again. We're in this 1062 Lance. So you walk in the door, onto the right you've got a booth that lays down into a bed. Underneath it you have two big storage compartments that pull out. You got a nice little dresser drawers here on the side, cabinet. This has got the MCD shades. Got a fantastic fan above you. On the left here you got your bathroom. To the kitchen you've got storage here. You got your generator, button start right here, your control panel. You got this stainless steel package. It's got the big BTU burners, glass oven door, microwave. You got a nice big countertop. And then into the bed, you see on the right you got your refrigerator and your freezer. You got nice steps going up into the bed area. On the sides you've got a cabinet, you got your TV, stereo, some cabinets in the front, storage, you've got reading lights, you've got a skylight, air conditioning, LEDs. This has a 100 amp solar panel on the roof. So this is a nice camper set up for a dually, this big size camper. So it's got dually brackets. Hey, Dewy.McDonald here. Thanks again for looking at this 1062 Lance. It's a nice camper. So if you need any RV, truck camper, fifth wheel, toy haulers, motorhomes, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.